Hawkeye and Jeannie, as they continued their journey on the road in a converted cargo van, visiting cities, communities, towns, and other places of interest to determine what is really going on in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Who is in business and who is not? What is the new normal way to live? Then report back to you with these videos. That is what Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is all about. I am Delmer, the narrator. Episode 57 is about Hawkeye and Jeannie's 2-day visit at Cowlitz Falls Campground.
Hi, my name is Jeannie. My husband and I are up from California. We're Glen Eden members. It's been a few years since we visited. If you could leave us the code for the gate, that would be great. And my callback number is 951-315. We'd like to visit. We'd like to come in tonight if that's possible. If you had a site with utilities, or even if you don't have utilities, that's fine. Anyways, if someone could give us a call, we'd appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. I say we go for it and just see if we can get in.
You want to get there today, huh?
Well, you know, it's 3 hours. They're like 45 minutes from Seattle.
Every day, 11 a.m. is the normal checkout time for most campgrounds, RV parks, motels, and hotels. Currently with COVID, the fires, and extreme hot weather, it is difficult finding campsites. Everyone is camping. Most campgrounds accept reservations full 6 months in advance. For those who are living on the road, the first thing is to start finding a place to park for that night. Normally Hawkeye and Jeannie see a campground that is picturesque by a lake or on the ocean, they will stop and check it out. If it is nice, they will spend the night. If it is truly nice, they will stay longer. Most of the time they do not have a vacancy. Boondocking usually is not an option. If you are one of the 53 Hawkeye's Tales and Trails subscribers, you know that they will get a room once in a while. Cowlitz Falls Campground originally was just going to be an overnight stay. Hawkeye and Jeannie stayed for 3 days.
It's a little kiddie playground. Grass for the deer.
That was the first thing they asked when we pulled up. You want a site in the sun or in the shade?
Whoa.
Cowlitz Falls Campground has 63 single-family campsites and is part of the 110-acre Lewis PUD County Park. There are 42 RV sites with water and electric hookups and 21 tent sites and a boat ramp. 6 group campsites are also available. The Cowlitz River also flows by the campground and park. The campground is a modern and well-maintained campground. Most campsites are spread out from each and in the shade. Campsite fees are incredibly reasonable. Leonard Bud Allen Park and Cowlitz Falls Campground covers over 110 acres and is only 15 miles east of Morton. It is centrally located to everything the area has to offer, like Mount St. Helens, Mount Rainier, and Gifford Pinchot National Forest. Lots of things to do like hiking, biking, golfing, fishing, boating, mountain climbing, disc golf, kite flying, and bird watching. I have been told that it is a great place to kick back, relax and get buzzed. This might be a good time to mention that Stray Cat LLC, Stray Cat Productions or Hawkeye and Jeannie have not received any compensation from this or any other business that we have showcased on any of our episodes. Our videos are unscripted documentaries of just some of the places that they have visited. With only 52 subscribers, we need 1,000 subscribers to be monetized by YouTube.
Hey, John.
Did you have a good time?
This place has got to be one of the best, one of the greatest.
I hope so.
Yeah, it's-
And I hope the people that work here are good.
They're
Oh,
very
you guys
good.
are the best, yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Thank you very much, especially given your age and your ability. You,
Bob.
In California?
yeah.
Where at?
Riverside County.
Riverside County. I was from Escondido years ago.
Oh.
Yeah, just south of us.
Yeah, and I've got a grandson and great grandkid in second Terrace.
Grand Terrace.
Grand Terrace.
Okay.
Yeah.
You remember Corona and Lake Elsinore?
Sure do.
We live right in the middle.
Oh, my.
They call that Phyiscal Valley now.
I remember when I was going through there one time, followed the car. He must have been in the brush because he had brush on the muffler, lighting fires.
Oh.
As we went, man, we stopped, put up the fires, run and caught the guy. I mean,
Wow.
at least telling us.
Yeah, stop spreading the fire.
Yeah.
Actually, once too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we slid off the road and
Yeah.
dry, chaparral and.
That's a nice rig.
Thank you.
It's what they call that, a camper van?
Well, it used to be a cargo van,
Or,
and Jeannie and I, we've been married, 50 years.
oh, my congrats.
Yeah, I'll tell her. But anyway, we've had truck camper, truck trailer, fifth wheel.
Yeah.
So now that we retired, we had a van too, back in the very early days, back in the 70s.
Well, I remember those days. I'm 83.
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah, we reminisced yesterday.
Yeah, I was in the Army from 56 to 64.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, I graduated in 55.
Got a phone call coming in. Thank you. You too, John. God bless you.
Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope that they are somewhat interesting. Our goal is to show people, places, and events that you may not normally get to see, hear, and how the COVID-19 pandemic has affected them. Please share our video with others. Please click the like or the thumbs up icon. Click on the round icon to subscribe and be notified when future episodes are available. Our videos are amateur and unscripted documentaries of Hawkeye and Jeannie's travels. It is our recommendation that if you are new to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails, start with episode 1. I am Delmer, the narrator. Hardy everyone.